Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be going over the Stealth Box. Now this is a new company that's based in North America and in Canada. They ship to them two places only at the moment, so if you're not from there, just that's a heads up. Anyways, let's get right into this. So basically what it is, it's a stealth grow box. They've got tents and they've got like a box made out of steel, and it comes with everything you need for growing, right? And the special thing about it is it's designed to like be stealth and fit in with furniture around the house. As you can see there, it's hidden just there next to like the speakers and whatnot. So they got a guarantee, grow 2 to 7 ounces guaranteed from their system, or money back guaranteed. So also you get 5 free king crop seeds when you have your first order with them. Also, if you want more king crop seeds, there'll be a link down the description box below this video. Also, to king crop seeds and also to Stealth Box, where you can get both their things for the cheapest possible price at the moment. So going down, it just has some questions and answers just there. You can go to their blog and read a bit about what they've got. But anyways, we'll jump straight into the product. So they've got 5 main products that they sell, right? So the first has been the Stealth Box, which is their main product, which has got like everything you need for growing inside the Stealth Box. And then they've got the Happy Herbs box, same thing, it just hasn't got everything as the Stealth Box basically. Then they've got a Stealth Box tent, which is basically just a grow tent with all the equipment you would need for a grow. Then they've got the Stealth Box Reload Kit, which is just soil and like fertilizers. And then they've got the Stealth Box Carbon Filter. Right, so let's jump straight into the Stealth Box. So starting off, they've got a video and it just goes over all about it, what's in it, what comes with it, how it works. So the price of it is in Canadian dollars, so it's $1,395, which is really cheap for all the things you get in it. As you can see, you get 14 different things in it, which if you brought all them separately, it would add up to a lot more than the price of it. So if you want to watch this video, you can go ahead, click the link down below this video and I'll send you over to this page. You can watch their video and it goes over a bit more about the product. So like I said, they ship to the USA and Canada only at the moment, but there is a waiting list for people that is internationally. So in the future, they are going to ship internationally. Alright, let's jump over to the herb box, the Happy Herbs box. Alright, so as you can see, this just comes with a few less things. It's still big enough to grow 4 plants. It's the same size. It's just you gotta buy like the lights and everything with it. So I recommend buying the first one because they are about the same price, and it's a lot better deal getting the Stealth Box. So this is their grow tent. Now this is for people if they just want to get a good quality grow tent with some good quality products, and it's a lot cheaper. So this is mainly just for one plant. So like one real big plant. It comes with a really big pot, as you can see it there. So I'd recommend this if you wanted to start off. This only will grow 1 plant, or like you could put 4 little plants or like 2 little plants like auto flowers in there if you wanted to. Also, all of these comes with 5 free seeds for your first order. So as you can see in the picture just here, it comes with like light, a carbon filter, like everything you'll need for just one good grow, for 1 plant grow. And now the reload. So basically, like I said, this is soil with a really good blend of soil, and then also it has green power boom, which is really good nutrition for the plants, fertilizer. That's not necessarily needed, but if you want to get some really good quality dirt and fertilizers when you buy it also, I do recommend it. This is their carbon filter. It's super cheap, only $50 Canadian, which is a really good price. So if you're after one of them, or you've brought like the tent or the box and you want to add an extra one, you can do that with this, and it's very cheap. Anyway, so let's go into their shipping. So their shipping right now, as you can see, where is it? Currently they do not ship out of North America, if you are outside of North America and would like to purchase a Stealth Box, you just email them and you'll be put on the wait list, because in the future they're going to be shipping to basically internationally very, very soon. So they're around like North Vancouver, so they will ship to like the USA and Canada basically. Anyways guys, there will be a link down in the description box below this video, and I'll send you over to their website and you can watch all their videos, read all their FAQs, everything about it yourself, and look into it a bit further. Hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be a lot more to come. Also, if you want a free cannabis growing guide, there'll be a link down in the description box below where you can grab a copy of that completely for free. Anyways guys, till next one.